Hey sweeties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, chill lang tayo kasi ang gagawin ko lang ay ang aking April favorites. So, medyo kasi nag-aalangan ako mag-upload ng mga ganitong klase ng video kasi magsasalita lang ako. Ito yung mga kinds ng video na nakaka-boring talaga. Pero, yeah, we're still gonna do it. So, if you're not subscribed yet to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below to keep you notified. So, disclaimer, I'm not bragging about the products that I have right now. Ginawa ko lang tong video na to just to notify those persons na medyo curious kung ano ba yung mga products na gusto ko and mga products na nagwo-work for me. Without further ado, let's get started. So, if you notice, ito rin yung makeup look ko na ginawa sa aking last video. So, if you didn't watch that yet, make sure you watch it. I'll link it down below. And it's the makeup tutorial where I use the tiniest makeup ever. So, uunahin ko yung skincare products na nagustuhan ko. At first ay ang Dickinson's Witch Hazel. And this one, kaya nagustuhan ko siya kasi it really helps with minimizing my pores. Hindi naman ganun kaliit pa yung pores ko. Pero, yeah, it minimizes a little bit. Dati talaga, sa video pa lang halatang halata mo na meron akong malalaking pores talaga kahit naka-makeup ako. So, this one really helped. Proven and tested na rin to ng pinsan ko. So, this one is my favorite. So, next one is this one. This is from Absolute New York. It's the NY Radiance Facial Emulsion. And it helps in minimizing the sebum. It also helps in your pores. Especially, kapag oily skin ka and kahit na dry skin ka, it helps in hydrating and moisturizing. And if you want the natural glow, this one is really perfect for you. So now we're moving on with the makeup stuff. I will be starting, of course, with my favorite setting spray. So itong setting spray na to ay sobrang naging favorite ko siya kasi unang-una sa lahat, matipid siya. Kahit na ilang spray, konti lang yung bumabawas sa kanya. It's also water-based, which means hindi siya oily and hindi magiging oily yung skin mo pag ginamit mo siya. It melts off your makeup just perfectly and flawless and it smells so good. So now, moving on with the primer. I have two primers here but they're in the same brand. So ito yung It's You Skin Smoothing Primer ng Sistar Cosmetics USA. And they're really perfect kahit na anong skin type meron ka kasi they have the hydrating and they have the matte one. So if you're a dry skin type of person, you can get the hydrating one. And if you're the oily type of person, then you can get the matte one. So the next one is the foundation. So for the foundation, I have three. And I don't have a favorite high-end foundation right now. And first of all, ito yung LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation. Naisipan ko na itry kasi nakita ko yung price. Sobrang mura lang niya. If I'm not mistaken, it's like around $5 or under $5. This one is my favorite kasi it lasts for the whole day. So next naman ay itong Absolute New York HD Flawless Foundation. Kagaya ng LA Colors. Mura lang din siya. I think it's around $6.99 or $7.99. But this one, it really makes your skin look flawless. Nagtry ako ng MAC foundations before. MAC doesn't just work for me. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. And ayoko rin ng amoy ng MAC foundations. And nakita ko to and it's a really good one. It's fragrance-free. And that's really perfect for me. And it just lasts for a long day too. So, the last foundation naman na nagustuhan ko ay itong Kiss Pro Touch na Drop Foundation. Kung napanood niyo yung video ko ng first impressions, finiture ko to doon and sobrang nagustuhan ko siya. It really makes your skin look flawless. At sobrang ganda niya kasi it blends beautifully and It looks just so nice. We are now moving on with the concealer. And yes, sa concealer, hindi ko alam kung magsasawa na kayo. Paulit-ulit ko na lang siyang sinasabi at binabanggit. And for the concealer, ito ay ang It's You Skin Perfecting Concealer ng Sistar Cosmetics. And it really blends out well. Tapos, hindi nagkikrease sa eyes. And it's just like a dream come true. So, next naman ay powder. Sa powder, meron akong dalawa. Isang pressed powder, tsaka isang setting powder. For the setting powder, ang favorite ko ay ang Fenty Beauty. I like this one kasi parang na-absorb siya agad ng skin ko. It makes my pores smaller, so it minimizes the pores. And sobrang ganda ng finish niya. And it's not too drying. And it's just so nice. So I really love this one. It makes your skin flawless. So the next product ay ang Essence All About Matte. Before, I used to have just a regular one, pero napapansin ko na medyo nag-oil up ako doon sa regular na All About Matte. But don't get me wrong, that was so nice. Pero na-discover ko na meron silang waterproof na Essence All About Matte. And this one, nung tinry ko siya, hindi ako masyadong nag-oil up. Although, may konti, pero hindi kasing lala nung ginagamit ko yung regular one nila. So, the next naman na product ay Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas. So, ito, this one is a dupe for the P. Louise base. So, I have the shade Halo. Ito yung white. Tapos, meron din ako yung Create. And I think this one is the medium color. And I really like this one kasi it comes with the applicator as well. So, para siyang may flat brush. And, sobrang ganda ng pigmentation ng eyeshadows kapag ginagamit ko to. So, for the eyebrows, I have two. And, this one, these two are also from Absolute New York. So, what's good about this one is it's a dual eyebrow pencil. So, it looks like this. And it's 2-in-1. So, you get the product right there. On the other side, once you roll it up, meron siyang parang flat brush. And then, itong pinakatakip niya, it's not just a cover. Meron siyang laman na parang pomade. And sobrang ganda ng pomade niya. It lasts for a whole day. And it's really nice. It glides on smoothly. When I was playing around with the James Charles, and nakita ko na sold out siya online and maraming naghahanap. So, meron akong napanood na dupe for the James Charles palette. Tapos, nakita ko siya sa Amazon. So, ito yung Fantasy Changeable Palette by Prism Makeup. And, ito, ilang beses ko na rin siyang ginagamit. Sobrang dami kong looks na nagagawa. And then, guys, para talaga siyang yung James Charles palette, pero mas maliit lang siya. Mas maliit siya. Sobrang mas maliit siya compare sa James Charles palette. So, pigmentation niya is really good. Fallouts, it's not much kasi that's just like a typical eyeshadow. Yung packaging niya, okay naman. Parang yung James Charles palette. Medyo dumihin lang siya. Pero okay naman yung pigmentation niya and yung quality for blending is nice. Itong Pure Cosmetics Festival Eyeshadow, nung una talaga, ikikip ko na lang sana to and hindi ko na lang gagamitin. So, if napanood nyo yung Instagram 1-minute video ko, which is dapat napanood nyo and dapat fina-follow nyo ako doon. So, nagulat ako sa pigmentation niya, especially itong shade na to. Sobrang ganda niya. It really blends perfectly. Especially, kahit na itong mga pressed glitters na to, they're really nice. So for the mascara, dalawa lang naman. Meron na naman ako nito. Ito na naman tayo. So, ito yung Sistar Cosmetics Glam Up Mega Curling Mascara. Hindi ko alam na hypnotize yata ako ng Sistar Cosmetics, no? Hindi, pero sobrang ganda ng mga products nila. And yeah, for me, nagustuhan ko sila and it's a really nice company na hindi kamurahan yung items nila, pero the quality of their products are worth the price. And it's really nice kasi it makes your eyelashes like more thick and it volumizes your lashes. So, I also have the Bad Gulp Bang and ito na-feature ko siya sa first impressions ko and nagustuhan ko siya because it gives you that long eyelashes look. So, para siyang may hair fiber sa loob, kaya nagustuhan ko siya. So, next product naman ay blushes. So, for the blush, meron ako dito, hindi ko siya na-feature sa any of my videos. It's the Serafina blush by Juvia's Place. At ito yung pinaka-first na Juvia's Place na product ko and I really like it. So, I'm looking forward to try their eyeshadow palettes kasi maraming nagsasabi na maganda daw sila. Pero ito, gustong-gusto ko siya. They also have a darker one, pero I think ito okay na sa akin para hindi masyadong harsh yung blush. So, it's like a peachy tone or corally tone and I really like it. It has a little bit of shimmer too, so it gives you that youthful glow kapag nilagay mo siya sa cheeks mo. So, the next blush na nagustuhan ko, ito feature ko siya sa aking first impression. It's the I Heart Revolution Peach and Glow Highlighting and Illuminator. It claimed to be an illuminator, pero I think that it was more in the blush type. I have 3 highlighters na nagustuhan ko these past months at nitong April lang. So, I recently featured this one in my first impressions. At ito yung Sleek Makeup Highlighter Palette. And hindi naman ako nagsisi na binili ko to. Actually, I got this on sale. And this is the Cleopatra's Kiss. And I really like this one kasi it has 2 highlighters na powder, tapos meron siyang cream. Next highlighter is the Artist Couture loose powder highlighter and it's in the shade Summer Haze. I got this from my BoxyCharm kasama nung Festival palette by Pore. And this is the Diamond Glow Powder. And sobrang shock ako dito. And this one is very, very blinding. And sobrang ganda ng intensity ng highlight niya. Down to my last highlighter. And ito, I never talked about this in my Instagram or here in my YouTube channel. Pero isa siya sa mga paborito kong highlighter ever. Hindi ko lang siya talaga na-wear alone just because hindi siya suitable for my skin tone. Pero sobrang ganda niya. You can use it in your eyes. And this is the Lux Cocoa Gold Highlighter. Ginagawa ko, minimix ko siya with other highlighters. Pero minsan ginagamit ko siya like for the inner corner. It's a really nice and it glides so smooth. And ito siya, pakita ko sa inyo. Mura lang to. I think it's $3.99. O diba, sobrang ganda niya. Nag-try ako ng mga products and I liked it. So, ito yung isa sa mga nagustuhan ko. And it's the Aqua Lip Color. So, this one, it lasts for a long time. It's like a tint. Parang yung Peri-Pera tint. So, ganun yung consistency niya. Parang liquid siya and then it dries out to a like demi-matte and then parang siyang magiging tint. So, the last lip products that I'm going to show you is none other than Nika K again. So, Nika K, I recently discovered that when it comes to lip products, they really have nice ones. So, these are lip oils that I got from Nika K. So, they're the color lip oil. They have just the lip oil, the clear lip oils, and they have different oils on it, like argan oil, coconut oil, and stuff like that. Pero ito may color siya, and it's a nice one kasi it's like a lip tint, pero hindi drying na lip tint. That's it for today, guys. Alam ko, medyo nakaka-bored itong video na to. So, hindi ko alam kung patuloy ko ba nagagawin ang favorites. Gusto nyo ba for like my favorite products, ang gawin ko na lang is like full face of favorite products para hindi sobrang boring na ganito. Kasi kahit ako, honestly, parang medyo na-boring ako, nangawit ako sa ganitong kind ng video. But yeah, since meron na kasi akong makeup at ayokong sayangin ng aking makeup, ganito na lang yung ginawa ko for now. So, yun. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito. Paulit-ulit ako, diba? Na mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you get notified whenever I posted a new video. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys next time.